Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia ELEWUWA. On today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply lipstick like a pro. I hope you all are doing well in midst of this chaos. Please stay safe, stay home, and everything is gonna be okay. Alright, without further ado, let's go. So usually I don't zoom my lips to you guys like this. I mean, I don't know how it's looking in your screen, but for the purpose of this video, please bear with me, okay, because I'm only trying to focus on the lips and nothing more. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start this video. So guys, first thing first, you don't want to apply a lipstick on a chapped lips. As you can see, my lips are chapped, okay. You can see dried scales, which is not okay to just jump in and start applying lipstick on. So we're gonna do the first thing, which is to moisturize the lips and apply a scrub if you have. If you don't have a scrub, you can easily make your own by just using sugar, okay, coarse sugar or coffee. Just make sure you apply a Vaseline on your lips, or just put a drop of 1 or 2 drops of Vaseline, okay, in the coffee before, and mix it up before applying on the lips. So when you apply it on your lips, you want to go ahead and use your fingers to just use the sugar or the coffee mixture to scrape all these scales. Just use it to go around on your lips, just in a circular motion, okay, until your lips are smooth and nice, you know what I mean. Or you can just skip that part of the coffee or sugar mixture and just go ahead and apply a Vaseline as a moisturizer on your lips. Okay, this is what I'm using. So I'll just go ahead and take a little, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my lips just like so. Now using my brush, this is just a toothbrush, okay, a basic normal toothbrush. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this toothbrush to brush my lips, not my teeth guys, just the lips, just like so. So you want to join your upper lip and your lower lip together and just keep brushing. Don't mind the discoloration, because I have makeup on. I have foundation and powder on my face, so it's getting some of those products on the brush. So you just keep doing this. Now as you can see the scales. Look at that, scales coming out from my dried chapped lips, okay. Now this is the effect of the brush on the moisturizer on my lips. So I'm gonna continue doing this until all these scales are off and my lips are smooth and nice. So now doing this with the brush also helps you, plump your lips. Yeah, the more you use the brush on your lips, you notice that your lips gets plumpier at the end of the whole thing. And now that I'm done, I'm gonna use a wipe and wipe off, you know, my lips and all the debris from it. Using a wipe, a clean wipe, using a clean wipe. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe. Now that I'm done wiping, okay, this is what my lips are looking like. All smooth and beautiful. Okay, looking all smooth and beautiful. So the next thing I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna apply the same Vaseline on my lips. So as you can see now, my lips are looking smooth and beautiful. So the next thing I'm gonna do now is to go ahead and use my lip liner. I'm gonna use my lip liner to line my lips. And I'm gonna go ahead and start right here. So you start right here on the lower part. Now I am done applying my lip liner. But if you're the type that want to maybe give the impression that you have a fuller lips, so what you're gonna do is just to go over the over here, just go a little above over your lip bowl, I guess what is what it's called. So you just go over a little over here, you know, like come up to this point and line it just a little above your normal lip. Okay, but if you don't want that, you can just stick to your normal lip line and just line it. Now lining your lips give you a better view as to how to apply your lipstick, okay, and it also makes your lipstick look more beautiful and look more well applied, I guess. Anyway, now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lipstick, and this lipstick is from MAC Cosmetics. This is from MAC, okay, and it's in the shade Sunny Soul. I got this lipstick from when I purchased some items from MAC, and they gave it to me as free sample for me to try on. So this is what it looks like inside. It's a pinkish shade lipstick. So now I'll be using a lid brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my lipstick. So when you're doing this, in as much as you try so much to be very careful as for it not to go overboard, sometimes we still make the mistake of leaving so much product all over the place. So it's no problem if you're done and you notice there are so much products on your lips. You can clean it up later. I will show you how to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lipstick following the lip line. I'm gonna go ahead and keep caught smacking my lips together or what. So I'm layering a second coat on the lips to make this lipstick a little more visible. And you can go ahead and smack your lips together. So guys, since this lipstick is a creamy lipstick, okay, I'm not gonna go ahead to apply a lip gloss, just to add some moisture to it. As it is already, there's a lot of moisture going on my lips, so I don't need extra moisture. So if I was using a matte lipstick, I would have added a little moisture by applying a lip gloss on my lips. But now I am done applying the lipstick, but as you can see, there are some imperfections going on around here and all over my lips. So what I'm gonna do is use my concealer, and this is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm not sure you're seeing that correctly. Okay, and this is Toffee shade. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little on my hand. Now I'll be using a brush. This is an angled brush, but I'm gonna be using it to clean up this mess around my lips. So I'll be tapping a little of the concealer on my hand with the brush, just like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up the mess. Nothing serious, just use the brush to go around. And now after applying that, I'm gonna use this brush to go ahead and just blend out that concealer around my lips. So you want to blend it in until that concealer mark disappears. So guys, I'm done blending the concealer out, and this is the result of our perfect lips. You can see how beautiful it's looking. There is no marks, no wrinkles, everything just looks beautiful. So this is the end of our tutorial, how to apply a lipstick like a pro, how to apply lipstick like a pro. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you try it out. Okay, try it out and let me know what you think. It is flawless or maybe almost flawless. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really appreciate you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe. Okay, let's be family and let's roll together. Thank you all so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.